Hi, Liberalized Remittance Scheme or LRS, which is called in short, was introduced by Reserve Bank of India in the year 2004 with the limit and the earlier limit was USD 25,000 or its equivalent. It is a scheme which is given to the resident individual to remit funds outside India to its relative or for any other purposes in a financial year. And the current limit under the scheme is USD 2,50,000 or its equivalent in a financial year. The scheme is available to the individual and it is not available to HUF, partnership or trust or any other entity, not even to corporate. This is specific to the individual. And the limit applies to the individual and it is available to the family members. In case there is a family member of 4, the limit of 2,50,000 USD is available to all the members including minor. In case the remittance is done by minor, then it has to be countersigned by the guardian. Now it cannot be clubbed. Suppose you are buying a property outside India, all the four members cannot club the amount and send the money until and unless all are the co-owners of the property. And there can be multiple remittances. You can use this remittance in multiple number like $10,000, then again $1 lakh like this, but the total should not exceed the limit in the financial year. In the next financial year, again you can go for you can avail your limit. Now coming to the under what purpose it is available. The purpose can be categorized in two categories. One is capital account transaction, other is current account transaction. Coming to the current account transaction, it is available for you can do the remittances for the current account transactions like for the travel purposes other than a country other than Nepal and Bhutan, for travel of your business purposes, gift or donation, for study purposes, for meeting the medical needs, so on. And for current account transactions, it is available to under this you can open a foreign currency bank account and transfer the amount there up to the limit. You can invest under the shares or debt instrument or mutual funds or venture capital under this scheme. And you can purchase the qualification share which is required for you being a director in a foreign company. You can invest to set up a joint venture or subsidiary abroad. So these are some of the capital account transaction where you can remit the funds under the LRS scheme. Now there are certain prohibited things like you cannot invest in a country under the capital account, the country which is identified as by the FATF team as a non-cooperative countries. And also for current account you cannot invest or you cannot send the fund to buy any lottery tickets or magazines which are prohibited. And if you want to do the capital account, you should have at least 1 year relationship with your banker. It's not that you just open the account today and tomorrow you are going to send the LRS to set up a joint venture or do any capital account transactions. Now coming to the process is very simple. You fill your form A2 form. A2 form is the remittance instruction form. There you choose your purpose code very carefully, get it, sign it. Any declaration required to be given by given to the AD bank. There should be only one AD bank. You should designate for LRS purpose. And once form A2 is there, request letter is there, you can go to your bank for the remittance. And in the form A2 you have to give the detail of the account which is going to receive this, also your account from where the remittance is being done, the purpose code and everything. Your AD bank will do a KYC inspection and they will ensure that your KYC is updated and there is nothing against the anti-money laundering. Once these are there, you submit the papers and bank will do the remittance. If you want to set up the joint venture or WOS, then you have to also adhere to the ODI guidelines, like submitting the form ODI and declarations, CA certificates and everything. Under that and receiving the certificate and within 6 months time and submitting to the AD bank. the ODI guidelines should also be adhered in case you are making investment abroad under the LRS. So these are the some things which are to be known and which you should be aware of for the LRS scheme. Hope this helps you out. Thank you very much.